How to move products from CJ Dropshipping to Shopify. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can take your products from CJ Dropshipping into your Shopify in the easiest and most incredible way possible. So first of all, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be quickly connecting our Shopify with our CJ Dropshipping. Okay, it doesn't take a lot of time. I'm just going to go ahead through that and scour through all the quick ways that we can do all of this. So I'm just going to load things in over here. Now, once this is done, it's going to ask us to log in with our CJ Dropshipping account password. Okay, so when it asks us that prompt, make sure to add in all of your details. So I'm gonna go ahead and register here. You can log in and authorize if you have any account. All right, so I'm simply gonna go ahead and register. And once you're registering, make sure to use proper emails and passwords. So I'm just going to go ahead with all of these. There we go. And once you add this over here, what you're going to want to do from there is agree to their terms and click on next. Now, once that is done, what's going to be happening is it's going to ask you your username and, all the essentials. So just enter all these things, okay, like that. Then you have your first name, last name, and you have your phone number. So once you add that, you're pretty much successfully registered with all of this. So I'm just gonna skip these parts. You don't really need to get into these parts over here. And there we go. Now it says authorization success, which means that your stores have been authorized and connected. Now, if you want to import products, you're simply gonna go to store products over here on the left hand side. Okay. And once you go into stored products, what's going to happen from here is it's going to give you all the products that CJ Dropshipping has in its repertoire, and you are going to choose whichever one you want to go with. So let's say, let's just wait for the products to load in. Now, once the products have loaded in, let's say I want to go with one of these products. Let's say I want to go with this USB hub. All right. I'm going to go with this USB hub. So I'm going to click on it. All right. And once we click on it, what we're going to do from there is we are simply going to go ahead and list it to our store. All right. Just click on list. And once you click on list, what's going to be happening from there is it's going to give you all the details. Okay. And we're just going to add a new product type, just like that. And you have a new vendor, just like that. And you can add more tags if you want to, but I'm going to go with this and I'm going to click on list it now. Make sure to add in your pricings. I mostly go with recommended listing prices. I don't go with anything higher or lower. But once this is loaded, this product should appear here in your Shopify. And there we go. So that is how you can import products from CJ to Shopify. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.